Have you ever considered the possibility that the manner in which you consume bananas can be causing you to lose your health without your knowledge? Yes, you read that correctly. Many of us are making critical mistakes that might be harming our digestion, energy levels, and even our general well-being, although this well-like fruit is frequently praised for its nutritional powerhouse status. The purpose of this video is to provide an in-depth analysis of the 6 most significant mistakes that you can be making each time you peel back that yellow layer. However, it's important to note that some of these mistakes are so common that you may not even realize you're making them. From when you eat bananas to how you store them, every mistake may cost you vital nutrients and benefits. Believe me when I say that you won't want to miss the surprising revelation that follows, which has the potential to alter the way you think about this fruit for the rest of your life. So now, let's get started. Number 1. Eating bananas at the wrong stage of ripeness. It is important to note that consuming bananas that are either too green or too ripe might have an effect on your digestion, as well as the nutrients that you take in. Green bananas have a high amount of resistant starch, which can be difficult to digest, particularly if you're not accustomed to consuming it. Overripe bananas, on the other hand, have a greater sugar content and may be lacking in some of the nutrients that are usually present in bananas that are absolutely ripe. The best bananas are bright yellow with a few brown spots. Number 2. Not washing the banana peel. You might be wondering, why should we wash the peel if we're not going to eat it? There are several reasons for this. When you peel a banana, germs, dirt, and pesticide can adhere to the peel and then move to your hands or the banana itself. To prepare bananas for peeling, first give them a quick rinse under running water and then pat them dry with a paper towel. Especially when preparing food for children, it is crucial to maintain even a minimal level of cleanliness. Number 3. Eating bananas on an empty stomach. Bananas contain a high concentration of natural sugars, which have the ability to provide a rapid surge of energy. When consumed on an empty stomach, however, they have the potential to trigger a fast surge in blood sugar, which is then followed by a drop. To maintain a consistent level of energy throughout the day, try eating bananas with a handful of almonds or a tablespoon of yogurt. Additionally, this combination helps you feel full for a longer period of time. Number 4. Storing bananas incorrectly. As tropical fruits, bananas are unable to thrive in cold surroundings because of their tropical origin. The natural ripening process of these foods can be hampered by storing them in the refrigerator, which can also affect their texture and flavor. Store bananas at room temperature until they achieve the desired level of ripeness. If you want to keep them fresh for a couple of days, you may put them in the refrigerator after they are ripe. However, you should not put green bananas in the refrigerator to extend their freshness. Number 5. Missing out on global banana recipes. Bananas are popular as a quick snack among the majority of us. But did you know that bananas are consumed in a broad variety of inventive ways all around the world? In Thailand, bananas are typically prepared by steaming them with sticky rice. It is common practice in Central America to fry them and serve them with either beans or rice. Try adding bananas to various foods, such as porridge, smoothies, or even savory cuisines, to give them various distinct flavors and textures. Your consumption of vital vitamins and minerals will be increased as a result of this, in addition to the diversity it provides. Number 6. Avoid combining bananas with other superfoods. Bananas are nutrient-dense, and their benefits are amplified when combined with other nutrient-dense foods. By adding fiber, antioxidants, or healthy fats, you could transform bananas into a more comprehensive snack. It is possible to enhance the nutritional value of your banana by including chia seeds, almonds, or cinnamon in it. This transforms your breakfast of bananas into a meal that is rich in nutrients. To get the most out of each and every banana, you should steer clear of these typical errors. By eating them thoughtfully, they're not only delicious, but also versatile and rich with nutrients. Remember these suggestions for a healthy snack the next time you go for a banana. To receive other advice similar to this one, make sure to remember to like, subscribe, and enable alerts. What is your preferred method of eating bananas? Please share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Do you have a dish that you particularly enjoy or a cooking tip of your own? Your time has been appreciated, and I hope to see you in a future video.